Hello learners. Welcome to this free Microsoft Excel course, so without any further ado let's begin. Hello there. Today we will learn a small trick of auto-adjusting the column width so our data can look clean. This data looks messy. Let's see the easy way to fix this. We will select the data and go to Format tab. We'll select the AutoFit column width. Now our data looks presentable. Let's add one more entry below this. Now again, if I need to fix the below row, I have to go for AutoFit column width. It's presentable but quite annoying to do it manually. Let's learn a trick which you can showcase in real life. Let's go for Sheet 2 where you can see how all this data is messed up. We need developer option for this trick. We'll go and select on File tab. Now we'll head over to option below Account. Here, we can see a lot of settings we can mess with. We will head over to Customize Ribbon section. We will scroll down this list and click the checkbox of Developer and press OK. Now, if you notice we have a new tab in our ribbon. We will learn more about this tab in my other videos. For now, we will right-click on our sheet name below and click on View Code. It will open a canvas like this where we will type some instructions. First, make sure by selecting Sheet 2, and then we will change this heading from General to Worksheet. We can see some small code has appeared. We will press Enter and write the code in between. We'll write cells, dot. Now entire column and again a dot. Last we'll type AutoFit. Our toughest code is ready. So it's time to click on Save and we'll close this window. We always need to save VBA enabled files so these codes can run. Looks like code is not working. Let's select any one cell to see what the data is. Did you see that? It auto-adjusted. Let's delete this data. Did you notice headers auto-adjusted on their own? Let's copy one row from our Sheet 1 to Sheet 2. See how the columns are automatically adjusting themselves. Let's add one bigger data. I didn't have to do that manual work of adjusting for this row. All this because of this small tough code. This is called VBA. As we keep on our journey in Excel, we will keep on learning these small tricks to save our time. Manual work looks easy when you have small data. It only gets complex when you get large data set. Again, if you don't want to write a code, all you need to do is go to Format and then click on Auto Fit Column Width. That's how you learned a new trick up your sleeve. That's wrap up for this video. Do check out the playlist for more. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button.